Awareness is easy to admire. Teams love the aha moment when they finally see how culture, language, and logic twist meaning in daily work. But insight without action is decoration. And in global leadership, decoration doesn't move projects forward. The real work begins the day after the workshop, when awareness meets deadlines. That's where the MC3 method lives, turning understanding into behavior. From knowing to doing. You can't train culture once and be done. It has to live in the routines, how meetings open, how decisions close, how feedback travels. I've seen brilliant executives nod through intercultural seminars, take pages of notes, then return to their same 5-slide habits. They knew what to do. They just hadn't built it into the system. That's the leap MC3 helps leaders make, from concept to muscle memory. 3 ways to ground. Insight. Name the habit. Pick one new practice from every lesson, not 10. Maybe it's pausing before replying, or checking who hasn't spoken yet. Make it visible, write it at the top of your agenda. Design for reflection. End meetings with, what did we learn about how we spoke today? This tiny ritual builds communication awareness into performance review. Audit without blame. Use the MC3 diagnostic lens, language, culture, or logic. When something goes wrong, check which layer broke before fixing the person. Small, consistent audits do more for trust than any motivational speech ever will. A moment that proved it. One engineering client began each global project meeting with a simple MC3 question. What could make this communication fail? At first, people laughed. By month 2, they were catching problems before they cost money. The question shifted culture from defensive to diagnostic. That's what insight in motion looks like. A 10-minute MC3 practice. Once a week, take 10 minutes to reflect. What's one communication habit I noticed this week? What impact did it have? What will I adjust next time? That's the rhythm of real learning, small pivots, consistently applied. The leadership lesson. The smartest leaders don't chase flawless communication. They build systems that learn faster than they fail. The MC3 method is designed for exactly that, to move teams from awareness to application, from theory to traction. Because clarity isn't a one-time insight. It's a daily choice. And every choice, no matter how small, changes the conversation.